All right, same idea on this one as we did on the last one. Start by making that augmented matrix. And then I'm going to start moving some stuff around. Now, it's really kind of nice here that I already have some ones right there along the diagonal. It's just going to be a matter, at least to start with, it's going to be a matter of just moving some things around. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take row 1 times negative 1. And that just gets rid of the negative. So that becomes a nice positive 1 there in the upper left corner. Now, I want the lower left corner to be a 0. So I'm going to take row 2 minus 5 times row 1. And when I do that, well, that is going to, row 1 stays exactly the same, but that is going to become a 0. But since I'm taking row 2 minus 5 times row 1, it's 1 minus 5 times 4. So that's a negative 19. And then it's going to be negative 5 times 5 times 18. Well, 5 times 18 is 90. And so I'm going to take negative 5 minus 90 is negative 95. Sometimes we have to deal with kind of the ugly parts there to get to that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take row 2, and I'm going to take that divided by or times 1 over negative 19. And row 1 stays exactly the same, but row 2 becomes, well, that becomes a 1, which is what I really want. And negative 95 divided by negative 19 is 5. So I get to that, which is really, really nice here. Now, I just want that 4. I want to get rid of that and have that become a 0. So I'm going to take row 1 minus 4 times row 2. So 1 minus 4 times 0. 4 minus 4 times 1, which is 4 minus 4 is 0. 18 minus 4 times 5. 18 minus 20 is negative 2. And row 2 stays exactly the same. And so I get this. And that's my reduced row form. And then top row shows me what x is. X is equal to negative 2. The bottom row shows me what y is. And y is equal to 5. That is my solution. And it's just putting those down and going through the steps. Be careful with this. Lots of little places to make errors. Have to just be careful with your arithmetic and your multiplying.